Introducing the RN22e. This is our rolling lab, our lighthouse for future technologies. We are challenging and studying the physical limits of heavier EVs. If RN22e can master this, the future potential is endless. Thanks to torque vectoring by twin clutch, power distribution to each wheel is now faster than ever, allowing the RN22e to carve through the corners with increased speed and precision, elevating N's signature corner carving feel to another level. Endurance is key to racetrack capability. Track-optimized cooling strategies control high-temperature items in check. With heavier weight, strong and consistent brake performance is a must. N-specific regenerative braking allows the RN22e to precisely control yaw and attack corners like never before. This is our answer for next-gen driving experience. Increased endurance without performance degradation, elevated fun with zero emission. The potential of Hyundai's E-GMP technology is maximized to the highest level of performance. Just imagine the possibilities and listen to what that sounds like. How it drives, how powerful that is. You will be able to curate your own settings to suit your driving style. With RN22e, N is moving ahead of the curve by setting a strong benchmark for the new electrified performance. These aspects of the RN22e will transfer into a production car arriving soon. How soon? How about this?